Hey everybody, it's Alan Taylor and I'm standing in front of 13219 Morrison Street here in the Hidden Woods section of Sherman Oaks. This beautiful one-level ranch Melon-Thyme built traditional is absolutely stunning. As you can see, we've got the birdhouse with the spindle, all the detailed wood siding, the rich molding around the windows, the front porch. When you pull up, you just know you're in front of a Melon-Thyme. Just sweet. And I love this custom iron gate that the owners put up. Obviously both for privacy and security, but what it also does is it creates a second yard in the house. So you can leave the front door open, let the kids run around, ride their scooters, play on their bikes. Just another yard, which is fantastic. And we've got this beautiful custom fountain in the front porch, all the detail, which is just sweet. You can sit there and hang out and watch the kids play. All right, and we've got this beautiful custom slate on the porch. And I'm gonna show you the entry. This is the entrance to this beautiful home. I love how the slate just goes right on in. Very thoughtfully designed. And that's an original front door that's just been painted beautifully. And the custom light, just beautifully designed. So behind the front door there, you do have direct access to the garage, which is awesome. And the first room that you'll see when you come into this house is the beautiful living room and dining room combo. We call it a great room. The custom beam ceilings, recessed lights, used brick fireplace with wood mantle. Just a beautiful room. And you can see the picture windows, the floor to ceiling picture windows that bring the outside in. Just a stunning room. You can tell right when you walk into these homes that they're just something special about these Melon-Thyme houses, the way that they're built and laid out, just homes of great quality. All right, so now to the highlight of the home here. It's not just this kitchen, but it's the fact that it opens up beautifully to this family room and to the outside beyond. Ultimate California living here. And I can't wait for you to see it in person. And I can't wait to show you the outside. So lots of great features in the kitchen. We've got the Caesar stone countertops. It says 6-burner stainless steel range with oven. Custom hood as well. And we've got, looks like we've got a warming drawer there. And all the custom cabinetry is beautifully, freshly painted. I'll show you, there you've got your signature Melon-Thyme glass blocks. Just look at the cleanliness of those fixtures, just beautiful. And I'll show you one more time the reverse angle of this room. I love the brick, just the juxtaposition of the brick against the rich wood molding. Just sensational, really impressive. All right, I'm gonna show you again the family room. Love the French doors, lots of light, windows and doors to the outside, which is just stunning. I'll show you a couple angles of this room here. The flow in this house is great. Every room to the outside from the back of the house has sliding doors, just flows beautifully. Just a great indoor-outdoor living space. I'm gonna show you the bedrooms first. So we've got bedroom 1 over here, also with sliding doors to the outside. And I don't know if you can tell because of the camera, but there's a jacuzzi right off this bedroom, which is awesome. Plantation shutters, more detailed wood moldings and beams, ceiling fan, and beautiful oak hardwood floors. And now we've got our hallway here, which is beautiful as well. And 2 bedrooms on this side share this beautifully appointed hall bath with custom tiling throughout. Look at the fixtures here, just beautiful. With a rain shower, as well as a soaking tub. And this beautiful custom vanity here, nice and high. Custom pull-out drawers, tile work, tumble travertine counters, beautifully done. And then in our front bedroom here is currently set up as an office. This is also a very spacious room. Just a sweet, great place to get some work done here for sure. Show you a reverse angle of the room, and then over there is a closet. Just a great little room. There's tons of detail and charm. All right, so I'm gonna head over to the other side of the house and show you the master bedroom. All right, so they did a really good job when they did the addition. They've got this little transitional space here, which is fantastic. It's a great utility space. You can pull up a chair and put a laptop and get some work done, or set up for parties, whatever it is that you would like. And then here we've got a beautiful custom half bath with 24 by 12 porcelain, custom vanity and backsplash, beautifully done. And now for the master sleeping room, which is absolutely stunning. Has a very hotel-like feel to it. Just beautifully done. And over there is the closet space. And through there is the master bathroom, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Just another look of the sleeping area here. I also have a flat screen TV and that very cool barn door. And now for the bathroom, beautifully appointed. Under cabinet lighting. Again, beautiful finishes, custom glass tile work, porcelain. Look at the fixtures in there. And we also have this beautiful soaking tub. Just beautifully done. All right, so that concludes the bedrooms. And I'm gonna walk you through the kitchen one more time. And just pause for a minute and let you take a look. Just gorgeous. And then take you outside. Just easy living. Just everything flows to the outside, which is just awesome. Plenty of space for sitting area here. We also have a outdoor dining table and a jacuzzi. So much to do out here in this backyard, just awesome. Sparkling pool that's been refinished with PebbleTec. And then off in the distance here, we've got fantastic fun bar area, barbecue, custom pizza oven under this pergola. So much detail and money put into this yard. Look at the wall here, it's all finished. Everything's super private. Love this pizza oven and the barbecue area. You can just see everything there is to offer at this home. Look at that, the jacuzzi, the table, the sitting area, the pool, a little grassy yard, more places to hang out over there. Just a luxurious, relaxing retreat from it all here at 13219 Morrison Street in Sherman Oaks. I look forward to showing you this beautiful home. Take care and see you soon. Bye-bye.